I have 15 amazing kitchen gadgets that are gonna make your life so much easier. We're gonna go in this cupboard right here and starting with number 15. And by the way, I do spend a lot of time in the kitchen with 4 children. My friend, this is a #1 best-selling product. It comes in multiple colors. Nothing is sponsored in this video, but I will link everything in that description box below. These also make for excellent gift ideas. Let me show you very quickly how to use this. You can see that it expands to a large area. You can even hang this in your kitchen if you prefer that method. Take your fruit, dump it in. You can see you can put a lot of fruit in here, and you can easily wash and rinse your fruit. Let it drain or give it a little shake if you prefer that. Collapse it. Now, this container is not on my list, but I will link it in the description box below in case you are interested. It is amazing. It has this drip tray down here. That way, any excess water, your fruit is not drowning in it. It will make your fruit last longer and stronger. Woo, that makes my organized heart very happy. Number 14, this one is gonna save your marriage. Just kidding. How many times do you open your dishwasher and you're like, hey, are these dishes clean or dirty? You're yelling around your house. Well, I love this one I found on Amazon. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. It is so fun. And yes, my friend, these dishes are in fact dirty. No more can people in your house say, well, I didn't know if they were clean or dirty. That's why I didn't take them out. And bonus, this is currently on sale. Want extra counter space? Let me show you another #1 best-selling product. I love this dish drying rack. Rather than putting it on your counter and taking up this precious real estate, you can have this. This is awesome. It rolls up if you just want to do half of a drying rack, or if you want to do a full drying rack. It washes up nicely. It holds so many heavy things. Look at that. You can wash your dishes on one side and then just let them dry on the other. This is also on sale, and I saw that it came with a coupon, so make sure you click that coupon button on Amazon. Now this right here is adorable. It's a little kitty cat. It came with the sponge, and yes, this holds up very nicely. I've had this stuck in my sink for several weeks now. I use this one to clean out my sink, and this is for cleaning dishes. I like separating the two, but it is so absolutely adorable. Meow. You can see the nice suction cup here on the back, so it will not ruin any surface that you choose to stick this on. You could even use this in your shower, in your bathtub. The possibilities are endless. One of my little tricks for keeping motivation high for cleaning is to have fun things to use when you clean. Let me show you another #1 bestseller that's gonna save your bottom. It's gonna save you so much time. Thumbs up if you open your microwave and things explode because people have not properly covered their items in your home. Yes, my friend, this comes in multiple colors. You can see here, it allows food to steam and vent thoroughly. Here's what's really nice about this. Look at this. It's fully collapsible, which is great for easy storage. It's apartment friendly. It's cute. It makes you excited. I like the little handle on top. Never again will you have a dirty microwave. If you're doing a lot of dishes or doing a lot of cleaning, you're definitely gonna want this. This is the #1 hand cream. This works amazing. This came from Santa in my husband's stocking. Let me just show you right here. Look at these hands. Look at how smooth and non-cracked they are. Yes, my friend, give this to your friends, family, and yourself. And as a bonus, you can use this on cracked heels as well. Remember when I told you that I'm gonna help you make cleaning fun and effective and make your job easier? You're gonna wanna get some Kaboom, my friend. Changes color when clean, lemon citrus scent. All you're gonna do, you can put this on any surface. You're gonna spray it where you want to clean. Oh yeah, baby. And guess what? Kitty is gonna get in on the action so you can see her work her magic. Spray that all around in your area. You're gonna watch it change colors. I'm just gonna spray a little bit more here for funsies, shall we? Soap scum, dirt, hard water stains, calcium, lime, grease, and grime. Yes. This is about done here. We just have one blue spot. This makes you be patient. So if you are an antsy cleaner, just like I am, this is definitely gonna help you, and it is super satisfying. It smells amazing. I'm getting excited right here. What else can I clean around my house? Go ahead and rub it in, and then you're gonna rinse it out when you are all done and make anything in your home shiny and sparkly. Looking so good. Thank you for your service, kitty cat. And that's why they say kaboom. Let's move into this really fun container, shall we? If you get tired of making lunches, you're definitely gonna wanna do this. Or if you just wanna jazz things up, maybe you're making your hubby or your girlfriend or your spouse a little lunch. I love these sandwich cutters. They're super easy to use. It came with 34 pieces in a set, my friend. The other nice thing is you can do this this right here. We can do little hearts. This is fun to do with cheese. My daughter went to school and she had some fun star-shaped Mickey Mouse here, star-shaped cheese. Her friends were like, where did you buy your cheese? She said, it's my secret. But definitely invest in a few sandwich cutters. It just is a game changer when it comes to the mundane things that you have to do in your everyday life. I'll link these storage containers as well. These are a game changer. This next one might be my favorite kitchen gadget. I don't know. I love all these. Okay, this right here. Technically, it's marketed for wine bottles, which you could definitely use. But when I saw this, I thought this is going to be great for housing my 4 kids, my husband and I, our water bottles that we use throughout the day and that we wash at the end of the day. All my kids know this is where they put their water bottle when they are not using it, rather than having them laying around throughout your house. Thumbs up if you can relate of having a tremendous amount of water bottles just around your countertops, your kitchen tables. This is just a great home for them. Hello, fancy. I don't know though, this next one is a lifesaver as well. Let's just take a peek at these beautiful hardwood floors. Let me show you a little something. You see right there? You see all those scratches going on? You need to get yourself some of these little booties, little shoes for the end of your chairs. They come in multiple sizes. They have a couple colors. I love it. It makes it so your chair can slide easily without scratching anything, and they look adorable. Who knew socks for your chairs could be so cute? And last time I checked, these babies were on sale. This is a problem we probably all can relate to. Let's go in this cupboard right under here. Thumbs up if you have a lot of plastic bags laying around your house from grocery pickup. Well, I wanted a great way to organize everything. Look at this. It came with 2 in a pack. It comes with multiple colors. You can hang them if you want to, depending upon where you want to store this. And then the bonus, all you have to do is reach your hands in here to pull one out when you're ready to use them. Or you certainly could grab from the top, depending upon how you want to do it. I love this. This is so fun. I wonder how many bags I was able to get in there. I gotta know if anyone else can relate to this. How many of you take one bag and then put the rest of your bags inside the bag and then you have an explosion of bags? Well, let me take you inside of this multi-purpose closet to show you something that's gonna be such a lifesaver for you. This is called Easy Tape because it's gonna make your life easy. You can see a smaller version that I bought here from the Dollar Tree. This is great as well, but if you want a thicker version, it's very sticky. Let me show you. But if you want a thicker version, like you see here and more, Amazon's where it's at. Well, look at all this, very sticky, and then you just peel this top part off when you're ready to stick it down. This works on so many different things. You have a rug in your kitchen that likes to slip. Yep, I got some Easy Tape under there, and no, it does not damage your hardwood floor. You can also use this carpet on carpet. I have used it in my bedroom. In your kitchen, if you have drawers that like to slide around, because you can see there is some space back here. No, I'm in my bathroom, but I do have something similar to this in my kitchen. Just use a little Easy Tape under there and watch this. Bam, slam that drawer and nothing is sliding around. If you need to hang something in your kitchen, this works. Awesome, my friend. You and anybody in your life needs some Easy Tape. Well, I guess I am going to be talking about these. You absolutely need to grab some of these. It came with 3 in a pack. I like to put any sort of produce in here. Again, it keeps it all nice and organized rather than keeping those plastic containers in your refrigerator, space saver. And again, keeping your produce fresher for longer. Are you someone that likes fit, healthy, convenient, economical, all those great things? Let me just show you this. This is one of my best friends. I use it every single week. By the way, I do run a fitness channel here on YouTube for free, effective home workouts, but I love myself some hard-boiled eggs. Rather than having to get a massive pot, boil the water, then drain it, or having to wait for your oven to preheat and bake your hard-boiled eggs. I would show you this live and in action, but all our eggs are gone. We're doing a grocery pickup later today. But here's what you do. All you do is take your eggs, if you want to make hard-boiled eggs, and you're going to put a little prick in the bottom of your egg, place all your eggs in here, and then on this device, you can see there's a section for hard, medium, soft, omelet, or poached eggs. Put your eggs on in there, fill it with the amount of water that you need into your tray, plug it in, and then press this button. When it's done, this is going to sing to you. It's going to play a little song letting you know that your eggs are ready to go. So you can go about your day doing your laundry. Then you're going to take your tray with your eggs on it. This is super easy. And then you're just going to rinse them into some cold water. And then, well, look at this right here. This is very convenient. All you have to do is set it on here as the water drips, and then you can go ahead and refrigerate your eggs. If you don't have this egg cooker in your life, you absolutely need it. I mean, look at the size of this. So effective. This is one of those kitchen gadgets that you will actually use. As you can see here, I'm a little partial to the dash line. This last one right here, I use it every single day. This is hands down probably one of my favorite purchases for 2022. Dun dun dun! No, it's not the Bissell Steam Shot, although that is amazing too. It's this baby right here. And I'm so impressed with the price point on this. Have a lot of stairs that you need to vacuum in your home? Well, all you need to do is attach this device right here. If you have crumbs in the corner that your vacuum often misses, not a problem. Did you need to clean out your refrigerator? How about underneath your garbage can? Got some crumbs stuck in your furniture or couch? How about under your couch? Just need a quick job and don't want to bust out a big old handheld vacuum? How about some dusty vents before and after? Do you have company coming over and you want your entryway to look nice very quickly? In and around your mudroom area? How about a drawer that likes to collect a lot of crumbs? And one of my favorite places to use this, in your vehicles. When you're done, all you have to do is press the yellow button to empty. Look at all that. And when you're done, plug it in to charge up. How long does the battery last, you ask? Well, I can do all of these stairs, all of this, making my way up here, and I can do let's just take this, all of these stairs, making my way up to this area as well, and then a little bit more. So the battery life is pretty amazing. Now, if you want to see 10 more amazing, useful, and functional kitchen gadgets, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.